Meaning of gesundheit.
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 Gesundheit. Gesundheit is a German word used to express a wish for good health to someone who has just sneezed. It is equivalent to saying bless you in English. The word literally means health or wellness. Saying Gesundheit after someone sneezes is a common practice in Western cultures, and it is believed to have originated during the time of the bubonic plague, when sneezing was considered a symptom of the disease. By wishing someone good health after they sneezed, people hoped to protect themselves from getting infected.